Lesson 3. In this lesson, we will be focusing on Microsoft Word Backstage View. Where is the Backstage View? If you left-click the File tab in the menu bar, you will open an area called Backstage View. That is this tab to the top here. Left-click on it once, and here, this area is called the Backstage View. The Backstage View contains several commands which you can use to manage your files and configure the Microsoft Word program. Some of the commands listed in the Backstage View are save, save as, open, close, info, recent, new, print, save and send, help, options, and so on. Under the info command, it is highlighted in blue here, you will see two columns opened up to the right. That's here and here, revealing information about the Word document you presently have opened. In the first column, you have listed under the info command in the Backstage View, protect document, check for issues, manage versions. To the right of the first column, you have the section revealing the properties of the opened document. Example, the size of the opened document, the amount of pages it has, the amount of words in the document, and so forth. In later lessons, we will learn how to use the commands in the Backstage View, but that's it for now for this lesson. How to select commands. Lesson 4. On the ribbon of the Microsoft Word document, tasks or commands to give Word to perform for you are hosted under tabs on the ribbon. These are the tabs. This is the ribbon stretching from left to right here, and just above it are what is called tabs. We have the File tab, the Home tab, the Insert tab, the Page Layout tab, the Reference tab, the Mailings tab, the Review tab, the View tab, the Developer tab, the Foxtit Reader tab, and the Foxtit PDF tab. Right now we have the Home tab selected, and under the Home tab we have several groups opened up on the screen. We have the Clipboard group, the Font group, the Paragraph group, the Styles and Editing group opened up on the screen. Under each group we have specific commands that are associated with that group. For instance, under the Clipboard group we have the Paste command, the Cut command, the Copy and Format Painter command, and it's similar with each one of these groups opened here. Under each tab you will also find groups and commands associated with each group. To use the commands listed on the ribbon under the tabs, left-click the tab containing the command you want to apply to your document, as we have done here with the Home tab. Then select the text or area in your document you want to apply this command to, and left-click the command you want to use. For example, let's say I want to bold the second paragraph. I simply select the entire paragraph by dragging across it. Go to the Font group, and under the Font group, click this capital B here, which represents the bold command. Left click it once, and you would have noticed that Microsoft Word have bolded the entire paragraph for me. To deselect this paragraph, click anywhere outside of it, like this. Well, that's about it now for lesson 4. See you on lesson 5. Lesson 5. The Mini Toolbar. What is the Mini Toolbar? The Mini Toolbar is a small pop-up box which appears semi-transparently to the right side of any text you select in your Word document, offering you a few common commands which you can quickly use to format the selected portion of your document. The shortcut commands it offers are available primarily from the Font and Paragraph groups on the ribbon. Now if we select this first paragraph here, you will be able to see the Mini Toolbar appearing semi-transparently, just close to the mouse pointer. The closer I put the mouse pointer to the Mini Toolbar is the clearer it appears on the screen. Can you see that? If you were to position the pointer of your mouse, as I said, close to or on any portion of the Mini Toolbar, it will appear plainly on your computer screen. Click on any command listed in the Mini Toolbar and Word immediately carries out the task you selected. Let's click the U for underline. See how the mini toolbar has executed our command, our underline command? That's it for lesson 5.